When a damaged connector or faulty outlet threatens productivity, experience uninterrupted power flow and seamless business operations with Bulgin's line of rugged IEC power connectors, power entry modules, and power distribution units. Designed to quickly restore your power connection with minimal delay. Our line of rugged IEC power connectors and power entry modules come in a range of mounting styles, terminations, and precise IEC types from C13 to C20. Tailored to your exact needs, our snap and assembly power entry modules offer versatile options, including mains, inlet and outlets, switches, fuse holders, and voltage selectors. For robust power distribution, explore our field-tough PDUs, featuring 4, 5, and 6 outlets with shuttered protection and EMI filtering. Keep your operations powered on with Bulgin's latest innovations. Visit Bulgin.com to discover our complete range of products.